In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do voiceover on Google Slides. If you've ever wanted your slides to play with your voice guiding the audience, this is the clean, straightforward way to make it happen. First, one key thing to understand. Google Slides doesn't record audio directly inside the app. That's normal, and it's easy to work around. You'll simply record your voice separately, upload the audio to Google Drive, and then add it to your slides. Start by recording your voice. Use whatever you're comfortable with. On Windows, the built-in voice recorder works great. On your phone, the default voice recorder is perfect. And on a computer, free tools like Audacity give you extra control. For the smoothest results, record one audio file per slide so you can control timing and edits individually. Find a quiet spot, speak clearly at a steady pace, and do a quick 10-second test to check volume and clarity before you record the full narration. Next, upload your audio files to Google Drive. Open Google Drive, click New, then File Upload, and choose your MP3 or WAV files. Slides only accepts audio that lives in your drive, so this step is essential. Wait for the uploads to finish before moving on. Now add the voiceover to your slide. Open your presentation in Google Slides and go to the slide that matches your audio file. Click Insert, then Audio. A panel will show your drive files. Select the correct one and click Select. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. That tells you the audio is attached and you can drag it to where you want it. To make it feel like a real voiceover, click the audio icon and open Format Options. In audio playback, set it to play automatically, so your narration starts the moment the slide appears. Move the speaker icon off the visible slide area to keep your design clean while still keeping the audio active. Adjust the volume to a comfortable level so it blends well if you also have videos or animations. Finally, enable stop on slide change so each recording ends when you advance, letting the next slide start its own narration without overlap. Repeat these steps for each slide you want narrated. When you present, your slides will play like a polished narrated video, with your voice guiding viewers exactly where you want their attention. That's all you need to add professional voiceover to Google Slides the simple way.